Hello everybody, this is Katerina and welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel. And today I decide to make very short video. It's not gonna be complicated. It's a video I will name eye makeup for beginner, but I also bring you a special set. Yes, this is amazing deal. We're gonna use beautiful eyeshadow, we're gonna use this liquid eyeliner, blush, mascara and lipstick. Everything's already on me, you can see. And if you're interested to see how I create this look, this video for you. And again, this is set only $24.50. Can you believe it? If you pay separate, it's more than $70. And it's again, we're selling this at Nordstrom. Product will list it below. You click, it takes you to Nordstrom and you can purchase this beautiful set. Again, let's start. This eye makeup video will be for beginner. It's only 3 eyeshadow inside and colors. It's so pretty. We have like here pinky, goldy, we have like brown with a little bit purpley undertone. It's very hard to find. And if somebody else tell you Clinique eyeshadow it's not good, do not believe. They are amazing quality. Okay, let's start. Again, this look will be for beginner. We have a 3 color here in this palette. We have a pinky, like a peachy color. We have like a brownie with slightly maybe a little bit like plum undertone and brown. It's a beautiful palette. First step, you must use always eyeshadow primer. And I'm gonna apply on entire my eyelid. I'm gonna use Chanel brush 105. After eyeshadow primer, I'm gonna use this beautiful brush from Trish McAvoy, 229 number, and we're gonna start with this middle color, and we're gonna put like on the middle my eyelid. I push into my suckle area. It will give you very beautiful soft look. This eyeshadow, it's not too dark. It's a perfect color for middle part of your eye. Now we're gonna use a darker color, and I have a small tiny brush, and we're gonna make a small letter C. I'm gonna apply this darker color close to my lash line halfway. And I need to tell you, if somebody else will tell you Clinique eyeshadow it's not a good quality, do not believe. It's a great texture, pigment and great quality. Okay, we start from starting like from halfway of my eye, and we're applying with small brush close to lash liner first color. And now we're gonna just put this darker color in my suckle area. And again, can you see I am pushing this color. Same darker color I'm gonna use underneath. Now I have a clean blending brush, and I'm gonna just blend this eyeshadow two together. Now I want to highlight my eye, and I'm using again brush which one we just used for eyeshadow primer, and I'm gonna put little bit more eyeshadow primer on center my eyelid, because I want my lighter color, my highlighter color, which one we're gonna use pink, like it's pinky peachy color, more intense. Now I'm gonna use my sponge applicator, and we're gonna use this beautiful pinky peach color. It's a beautiful color. We're applying from corner to a darker color, but not all the way. You can see right here I have like more darker. The set, of course, we have my favorite liquid eyeliner from Clinique. And now it's time to apply liquid eyeliner. I always have this mirror. It's Simply Human mirror. It's the best mirror. Like I cannot leave this mirror, okay? It's a great present for holidays. I'm telling you guys, I think it's $200, but it's worth every single penny. And I'm gonna use Clinique liner. Right now we're gonna just put this product close to your lash line. I always start from center and then I'm doing very small, tiny steps. Then I turned my hand and I just again press close to my lash line, and the end I actually do not go all the way, like very close. First I go slightly little bit up and then I lift in my eye. I see little bit space right here, and this space I feel it. And then I connect it. That's it! Mascara time! Before mascara, I do want you to show you before and after. This is where I'm still not yet have eyeliner liquid, and here I do. How sexy and pretty, right? For my mascara, I'm gonna use High Impact, which one we have in a set. It's a great mascara. It is traveling size, but if you never try Clinique mascara, it's perfect time to try. And of course I'm gonna use an bottom. My eyes, it's done. They very look pretty and natural, but have enough pop for beginners, right? But let's use this beautiful blush, which one we have in a set, and it's a beautiful pinky color. It's one of my favorite color from Clinique's number 14 Heather Pop. Again, it's so beautiful pinky color, will fresh this look and will make me more younger. I'm gonna put this blush a little bit right here on top to connect. And you know what, we can use this pinky like a eyeshadow also is highlighter a little bit on top of my blush. Ooh, it looks very pretty. It's getting dark outside and we have a perfect lipstick. It's a beautiful like raspberry color. Ooh, so pretty. Let's try. I hope you like this look. This lipstick looks so hot and pretty on me. Again, this is set. It's perfect for beginner. It's $24.50. If you pay separate, it's $72. Link below with these products. Again, it's free shipping from Nordstrom, but it's limited edition. I hope again it's easy and quick this video for you. Love you all, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram, Katya Beauty Style, or Facebook. I'll see you girls or boys in my next video. Bye!